Hi everyone, welcome to our Week 9 online assembly. We'll start today's assembly with our acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge
the traditional owners
and custodians of this land. We acknowledge
the waterways,
the land, the sky, and all who
inhabit this place.
country.
We acknowledge
Our ancestors,
We acknowledge
our elders,
Who have gone before us.
and those who stand for us today.
We acknowledge our past
And stand here for our future country.
Now it's time for the national anthem. Can we all please stand for Advance Australia Fair?
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. With golden sword and wealth for joy, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every stage advance Australia fair. Big joyful strains and let us sing. Advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing. Advance Australia fair.
Time now for our Student of the Week awards. This week, in Olivia's class, the Student of the Week is Sammy. Sammy was caring for himself, doing a great job following the Care of the Week, completing his work. Well done, Sammy. In Carolyn's class, our newest Currabee student, William. Well done to William, who has been settling in really well in his new school. Well done. In Zoe's class, our Student of the Week is Bo. Bo's done a great job caring for his learning, being a maths superstar and skip counting. Well done, Bo. In Pat's class, the Student of the Week is Isaiah. Isaiah's been caring for himself, trying new activities and exercises. Well done, Isaiah. In Vanessa's class, our Student of the Week is Luca. Luca has been consistently completing learning activities. Well done, Luca. And in our seniors, our Students of the Week are William, who has been working really hard in class and trying new activities with an open mind. Well done, William. And Sophie, who's been caring for herself, working well and keeping her desk tidy. Well done to all of our Students of the Week.
It's time for our care ticket winners for this week. We've got Early Years O and our winner is Divshot. Early Years F and our winner is Balin. Middle W and our winner is Dominic. Middle M and our winner is Ahmed. Middle F and our winner is Riley. Middle H and our winner is Senior P, and our winner is Destiny. And our last class, Senior H, and our winner for this week goes to Zaid. Well done to all our care ticket winners this week.
Happy Friday, people. I'm back with another exciting Care Wheel spin for you. But first, our cares of the week. This week's care was I complete my work. Next week, it's I communicate. With that done, let's move on to our Care Wheel. Okay, lots of kids on our Care Wheel this week. A smattering of juniors and middle students. Let's give it a good spin and see who wins. Oh, I see Sammy, I see Daniel, I see Jesse, I see Mia. Oh, and that is closest to my good friend Daniel in Patrick's class. Well done, Daniel. If you go up to administration on Monday morning, you'll get your prize. See you next week.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Time now to celebrate our birthdays. Happy birthday this week to Eli and Savannah.
Author of the Week goes to junior secondary students who have been working on comic strips. Well done, junior secondary.
It's time now for the sign of the week with Lindeen. That brings us to the end of this week's assembly. Have a great weekend and join us now in singing the Currabee Special School song.